Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of grapefruits. This juicy citrus fruit isn't just a delicious addition to your breakfast, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with a plethora of health benefits. From immune-boosting vitamin C to heart-loving antioxidants, we're about to uncover the secrets that make grapefruits a true superstar in the world of healthy eating. So whether you're a longtime fan of grapefruits, or just starting to discover their incredible benefits, you're in for a treat. Join us as we uncover the fantastic advantages that this zesty fruit brings to the table. All right, let's embark on this journey of discovering the wonders of grapefruit for a healthier, happier you. Are you as excited as we are? Let's get started. First and foremost, grapefruits are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive tract and preventing constipation. The fiber in grapefruits helps regulate bowel movements by adding bulk to the stool and promoting peristalsis, the wave-like muscular contractions that move food through the digestive system. The natural fiber content in grapefruits can help soften the stool and stimulate bowel movements, providing relief from constipation. By promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, grapefruits may help reduce the risk of developing hemorrhoids, which can be caused by straining during bowel movements. Grapefruits can help prevent bloating and excess gas by promoting efficient digestion and reducing the likelihood of food stagnating in the digestive tract. The fiber in grapefruits acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. This supports a balanced and healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for optimal digestion and overall health. Additionally, grapefruits are a nutrient-dense fruit, providing essential vitamins and minerals without excess calories. This can contribute to a heart-healthy diet. They are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports overall heart health. Grapefruits are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure levels. Adequate potassium intake is important for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Some studies suggest that regularly consuming grapefruits may help lower blood pressure levels, which is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in grapefruits, along with other beneficial compounds, may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. This can contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. Grapefruits have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a slower effect on blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are important for heart health. What's more, grapefruits are a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining proper vision. Vitamin A is a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows us to see in low-light conditions. Some studies suggest that a diet rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants may be associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common eye condition that can lead to vision loss. Vitamin C, found in abundance in grapefruits, may help prevent the development of cataracts, a condition where the lens of the eye becomes cloudy and affects vision. The retina is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. Adequate vitamin A intake, as provided by grapefruits, is crucial for maintaining the health and function of the retina. The vitamin A content in grapefruits may help alleviate symptoms of dry eye by promoting healthy tear production and maintaining the moisture levels on the surface of the eye. Grapefruits contain various phytochemicals, including carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to support eye health. These compounds help filter harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know grapefruits are a fantastic addition to your diet when it comes to boosting the immune system? Grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Vitamin C also enhances the function of various immune cells, including phagocytes and T cells, which play key roles in the body's defense against pathogens. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods like grapefruits has been associated with a reduced duration of illnesses like the common cold, potentially helping you recover faster. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that helps wounds heal. By promoting proper wound healing, grapefruits indirectly support immune function. Some compounds found in grapefruits, like flavonoids, have natural antimicrobial properties that may help the body fight off bacterial and viral infections. But wait, there is more. Grapefruits contain water, which helps keep the skin hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in grapefruits can help reduce inflammation and fight bacteria on the skin's surface, potentially leading to fewer breakouts. The astringent properties of grapefruits can help tighten and tone the skin, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. Grapefruits help regulate sebum production, making them beneficial for those with oily or combination skin. Balancing oil levels can help prevent clogged pores and breakouts. The natural acids in grapefruits, such as citric acid, can act as a gentle exfoliant. This helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal smoother, brighter skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of grapefruits can help calm irritated or inflamed skin conditions, such as redness, itching, and swelling. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in grapefruits can give your skin a healthy, natural glow. Additionally, grapefruits are a good source of citric acid, which can help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Citric acid binds to calcium in the urine, preventing it from crystallizing and forming stones. Despite being acidic in nature, grapefruits have an alkalinizing effect on urine. This means that they can help raise the pH levels of urine, creating an environment less conducive to the formation of certain types of stones. Grapefruits have a high water content, which can help increase urinary volume. This is important for preventing the concentration of minerals and salts in the urine, which can lead to stone formation. Some studies suggest that the citric acid in grapefruits may help reduce the absorption of oxalates from the diet. Oxalates are compounds found in certain foods that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. The combination of citric acid and increased urinary volume from consuming grapefruits can be particularly effective in reducing the risk of calcium oxalate stones, which are the most common type of kidney stones. The potassium in grapefruits helps balance electrolyte levels in the body, which is important for kidney function. Lastly, grapefruits are composed primarily of water, making them an excellent natural source of hydration. Consuming water-rich foods like grapefruits helps replenish your body's water stores. Grapefruits contain essential electrolytes like potassium, which is crucial for maintaining the balance of fluids in and around your cells. This helps regulate your body's water levels. Including hydrating foods like grapefruits in your diet can help prevent dehydration, especially in situations where you may be losing fluids through sweating or other activities. Dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue and low energy. By staying well hydrated, you can help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. And there you have it, folks. The incredible world of grapefruits and their astounding health benefits. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and even enhancing skin radiance, these juicy wonders truly pack a punch. So why not make them a delicious part of your daily routine? Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.